Hi y'all, I'm Kayla. I'm one half of Stamping Before Anything Else. I'm making this video to explain a little bit more of what the Makers Membership is. So the Makers Membership is a monthly membership for crafters where you get to make 8 cards every single month while also building up your craft supplies with consumable products like paper, embellishments, ribbon, tape, whatever it may be. It changes every month. And so we're really excited to offer this to people who are brand new to crafting and you're like, I need to find a slow way to build up my crafting supplies. Or maybe you're a little bit more like us where you kind of have a lot and you're like, I just need somebody to tell me what to do every month. And so we're really excited to offer this membership. It is a monthly membership where you will get the video tutorials and measurements to make 8 cards, 2 of 4 designs. I keep messing that up, but it is 2 of 4 designs. And so we have a little example here on our website that you could check out and download. These are all public tutorials that we've already shared before, but in the Makers Membership, they're all going to be exclusive. So you in the membership will only have access to those videos. No one else will. So it's kind of a little exclusive, but I highly suggest going and downloading our example PDF tutorial because you'll see all our pictures and how we link all of our videos and measurements all in one spot for you. So you'll get the video tutorial and measurements. You also get $20 in that consumable product. So like I said, the paper, maybe some ribbon 1 month, maybe you'll get some of the really pretty specialty paper, designer series paper, or maybe mom wants to share some dimensionals with you. So you'll get that. And then if you're in our membership for 6 consecutive months, you're gonna get a swag bag, which we're super excited about. It's a surprise every month. And so it does change it's a surprise for you if you are in if you do get that swag bag, right? And so it changes every 6 months. So if you're in it for a year, let's say, the 6-month mark you'll get a swag bag, and then that 12-month mark you'll get a different swag bag. So it's always changing, always keeping it fresh. You're probably wondering, okay, Kayla, I got that. I already got that figured out. What do I expect when I join? So you'll get all of that, and then you will see on the first Thursday of every month is when we are going to release the featured stamp set. And then you have until the 10th of the month to decide whether or not you want to be in the membership or not. So you'll subscribe. It will be a reoccurring payment that will come out on the 10th of every single month. And then on the 25th of the month is when we will send all of the supplies of the kit, all the tutorials, all of that is going to be sent out to you. So in the kit, it's $45 for the membership. You'll get the video tutorials, you'll get the measurements, you will get the $20 in consumable products, you're going to get envelopes for the cards, you're going to get shipping included in that price. So it's just the flat $45. We are really excited to offer this to you, whether you're new to crafting or you've been crafting for a while. I hope you enjoy our tutorials. I think they're always really cute, very well taken photos, clear to understand instructions, especially since they're video instructions. You can follow along step by step and pause the video when it's needed. But I highly suggest that you subscribe as soon as possible, if not by the 10th of every single month, so that way you can get in on this membership. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Nancy and Kayla at stampingbay.com, and hopefully we'll be seeing you in the membership soon. Bye!